Welcome back to my channel. Myself is Kumar. Today we are learning about buffer overflow. Buffer overflow. The introduction. Buffer overflow is a critical security issue where a program writes more data to a buffer than it can hold. Its flaw can lead to unpredictable behavior crashes or exploitation by the attackers in cryptography and network security. Buffer overflow vulnerabilities offers several entry points for attackers that compromise data integrity and confidentiality. Okay, we can go to next page. Basic overflow, buffer overflow basics. Definition and mechanism. A buffer overflow occurs when data exceeds the allocation space in memory buffer, causing incident memory to overwritten. This can be corrupted data, crash applications, or allow creation of malware codes. Attackers exploit this by injecting harmful payloads, gaining unauthorized access or control over system. Causes and vulnerabilities. Buffer overflow arise mainly for improper input validation, unsafe functions, and lack of boundaries checking code. Common vulnerabilities include stack and heap overflows, which are exploding due to weak programming practices or outdated system protections, undermining cryptographic and network security defense. Then, detection and prevention techniques. Effective detection of buffer overflow involves static code analysis and runtime monitoring to identify irregular memory operations. Prevention relies on secure coding practices such as input validation, using safe functions, and employing modern protection mechanisms like stack carriers, ASLR, address space layout randomization, and the DEP data access prevention to minimize exploit risks. Impact of cryptographic and network security. Exploration in cryptographic network systems. Buffer overflow vulnerabilities in cryptographic implementations can allow attackers to bypass encryption process or manipulate cryptographic keys. Exploits may be lead to unauthorized decryption, key leakage, or execution of integrity code, so compromising data confidentiality and system trustworthiness. Network attackers leveraging buffer overflow. Attackers exploit buffer overflow to launch attacks like dental of services device, remote code execution, and acceleration in network system. The attackers offer talent network services, routers, and firewalls, undermining network integrity and exploiting sensitive communication to interrupt or manipulation. Mitigation strategies in security protocols. Mitigation involves getting buffer overflow defines into security protocols, including strict impact validation, employing secure coding standards, and regular security audits. Additionally, deploying branch management and advanced techniques like induction detection system (ADS) ensures the resilience against output-based exploits. Finally, the conclusion of the buffer overflow is buffer overflow remains a significant threat to cryptography and network security due to its potential for service exploration. Combining early detection, preventive coding practice, and early mitigation strategies is essential to protect critical system, maintain data integrity, and safeguard network protection against evolution attacks.